Hi guys, how are you? So today we have a short tutorial in real time, slower version of the video I posted, how to layer the vinyl decals if you have multiple layers with the wax paper trick. So I have all of my pieces ready and they are weeded and on transfer sheets. They're ready to go. We have 4 layers. So the base layer is going to be the white, and then we have the red, the blue, and the black sunflower design. And also we have our wax paper. So what we're going to do is we're just going to peel off the second layer. Our base layer is this white sunflower. And normally I don't add the little registration marks or whatever on the side, but with this flower design sometimes it's kind of hard to tell that which side of the flower it goes, so that's why I made that little mark, just to make it clearer for this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the wax paper, we're going to put it over our base layer, and you just want a little bit of it showing on the side there. And we're going to take our second layer and we're going to line it up on the edge and press down, and you can have the opportunity to move your bottom layer. I can see there's a tiny piece at the bottom that's not lined up properly, so then you can just go ahead and move that. And that's what's nice about the wax paper, is that it really, you're able to just move it around the way that you need to before you commit. So there you go. Now you're gonna press down and then on the side, and then you can pull your wax paper out. And then once you pull your wax paper out, you can go ahead and press it together. I sped this part up because I don't know if I pressed too much, but I had a little bit trouble removing my transfer sheet. Normally I don't have that much trouble taking it off. Also, this was like a matte vinyl, so I don't know if that had anything to do with it. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing. Put the wax paper down on our layer, and then our third layer is the blue part. I'm going to put it over on top and line it up. And then once you're happy with how you have it lined up, press it down and pull your wax paper out. Now for our final layer, we have this really pretty black sunflower. If you guys are wondering where I got this SVG from, it's from Etsy. So now we're doing it one more time, and you can kind of see how easy it is to move the bottom part if you need to, with a wax paper in between. And once you have it all lined up, just go ahead and press on the side. Pull it out gently. Pull out the wax paper gently. Ta-da! That's so pretty. Now you are all set. If you guys have any other questions, just leave it in the comments. I'll be sure to answer. And if you guys like this decal, leave a comment and we will pick a winner and I will DM you and I'll send off this decal to you. Alright guys, that's all for now. Have a good day.